Welcome to Rely Construction. We're here in a 65-year-old Japanese character home in North Vancouver. The goal of this renovation was to transform an outdated bathroom into a safe, accessible washroom, designed to give the homeowner comfort, independence, and peace of mind while still feeling like home. Because of the home's age and cultural character, every step of the project required careful planning and attention to detail. We wanted the new bathroom to blend seamlessly with the rest of the house, preserving its warm traditional feel while bringing in modern comfort and function. We began the demolition, carefully removing the old fixtures, tiles, and plumbing before any work started. Our crew sealed off nearby rooms, protected hallways and stairs, and set up dust control systems. Keeping the rest of the home clean and safe throughout construction is something we take seriously. It's part of the care we bring to every project. Once the space was cleared, we focused on building a strong foundation. The subfloor was reinforced to support the added weight of ceramic tile, the frameless glass shower door, the cedar shower seat, and future grab bars. We installed new waterproof membranes and underlayment, ensuring long-term protection against moisture and creating a stable base for the finishes to come. These extra steps are essential in older homes, and they ensure that this bathroom will be safe, durable, and reliable for decades to come. During construction, we worked closely with the homeowner's care team to meet accessibility guidelines, from the height and placement of fixtures to ensuring a barrier-free shower entry and safe grab bar positioning. Every decision was made with functionality and safety in mind. At the same time, we planned the design to feel clean and modern, but still in harmony with the home's Japanese character. The finished washroom brings together practical accessibility and a refined look. A frameless glass shower door opens to a spacious walk-in shower, featuring a rain-style shower head with handlebar and a 6-piece diverter for flexible use. For safety and comfort, the shower includes a custom cedar seat and secure grab bars, designed for easy everyday use. A new high-efficiency toilet, modern cabinetry with accessible storage, and matching bathroom accessories add both function and style. We also installed a heated towel bar for comfort, a powerful but quiet new bathroom fan, and a crisp LED fog-resistant mirror. To finish the space, sensor-activated LED under cabinet lighting beneath the wall-hung vanity provides a soft nighttime light and an elegant glow. We're proud to have delivered a washroom that brings together accessibility, comfort, and thoughtful design. If you're considering a renovation, whether for accessibility needs or a dream design, we'd love to help. Contact Rely Construction at 604-762-0233 or email info@relyconstruction.ca. Rely Construction, built on trust, backed by experience.